This is a Rainbow Workbook lesson for English First Additional Language, Grade 4, Term 3, Lessons 89 and 90. In this lesson, the topic of focus is on party food. Reading time. Hello, children. Who likes clowns? Who likes eating biscuits? Everyone, right? Let's read a recipe for making clown biscuits. We are going to read about what we need to make them and then how to make them. Let's read what these biscuits are called. Party clowns. Good. They are called party clowns. Now Group 1 will read the ingredients. That is a list of what we need. Let's start. 6 ice cream cones, 6 Marie biscuits, 6 marshmallows, half a cup icing sugar, food coloring, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Fabulous reading! Group 2, let's read the method now. The method tells us what we need to do. 1. Add the water to the icing sugar and mix to form a thick water icing. Use this as glue to make the clowns. 2. Spread the icing onto the Marie biscuits and then press the cone onto the Marie biscuit base. 3. Cut off the point of the cone. Push a marshmallow into the cone to form a head. Push a marshmallow onto the cone to form a head. 4. Use icing to attach the point of the cone onto the marshmallow to form a hat. 5. Use a toothpick to paint a face on the marshmallow using colored icing to form the face. 6. Stick jelly tot buttons down the cone. 7. Allow to dry. Well read! They sound great, don't they? Wordplay. Hello, learners. Listen to some sentences and some questions. Here is the first sentence. Fill in the missing word. To make sure that I have all the ingredients, I must read the Yes, the recipe. Well done. Now listen to this question. What can I use to put the ingredients into? Lovely! I put the ingredients into a bowl. Can you complete the following sentence? For the clown's head, we use a That's right. We use a marshmallow for the clown's head. Now let's make a sentence with the word spread. Let me say that again. Spread. Say, we spread some icing sugar on the cone to stick on the buttons. Say that now, please. That's great. Let's use the word toothpick in a sentence now. Say, toothpick. Let me say it again. Toothpick. Say, we use a toothpick to draw a face on the cone. Try that now. You are doing so well. You are good little bakers. Sentence play. Let's see if you can help me choose the correct word for each sentence. Listen carefully. We saw a bird flying under our heads, or do I say, we saw a bird flying above our heads? Yes, we saw a bird flying above our heads. Now listen to the next one. Do I say they sat in the floor? Or do I say they sat on the floor? That's right. They sat on the floor. Do I say he stood under James and Mike? Or do I say he stood between James and Mike? Well done! He stood between James and Mike. Do I say my grandma put our bags in the car? Or do I say my grandma put our bags under the car? Good! My grandma put our bags in the car. Now listen to this. Do I say the girls sat under the umbrella? Or do I say the girls sat in the umbrella? The girls sat under the umbrella. Absolutely fabulous. Well done, grade 4s. Sound play. Get ready for an alphabet game. Let's begin. Listen to these names. Your teacher will write them down so that you can read them. Zama, Millie, Becky, Debs, Reedy, Kanya, Mike. Let's read them together now. Zama, Millie, Becky, Debs, Reedy, Kanya, Mike. Let's decide which word comes first if we arrange them alphabetically. Which letter comes first in the alphabet? That's right. A and B, of course. Are there any names beginning with A or B? Good. Beggy begins with B, so Beggy comes first. Now look for any names beginning with C or D. Which name begins with D? Wonderful! Debs begins with D. Look at the names again. Are there any names beginning with E, F, G, H, or I? No, there are not. What about J, K, or L? Great! So Kanya comes next. What about M, N, O, or P? Yes, Millie and Mike begin with M. Let's carry on. Look for names that begin with Q, R, S, or T. Yes, Reedy begins with R. What name comes last? Zama, of course. That was fantastic. Playtime. Let's play a game called Can You Remember? You need to listen very carefully to the sentence and then answer the questions. We are going to hear about people doing different things. Listen and try to remember what you hear. Becky kicked a blue ball over the fence. Listen again. Becky kicked a blue ball over the fence. What did he kick? Good. He kicked a blue ball. Where did he kick it? He kicked it over the fence. Okay, listen to the next sentence. Millie put her pink jersey under her bed. Listen again. Millie put her pink jersey under her bed. What color was her jersey? Right, pink. Where did she put it? Under her bed. Super work, children!